Dreaming of launching the next big trading app? Let's break down the essentials, fast. First, let's talk features. Your app should make sign-up super simple, show live market data, and let users buy or sell stocks in real time. Don't forget portfolio tracking, easy-to-read charts, and fast push notifications. And yes, security should be as strong as a bank vault. Want to stand out? Add AI-powered recommendations or support for crypto trading. Now what about cost? Basic trading apps start around $15,000 to $30,000. For more features, think $30,000 to $60,000. Advanced apps with custom design or AI? That's $70,000 and up. Prices change based on your design, features, and the team you hire. Speaking of teams, check out top companies like Kuchoriya TechSoft. Always review their work and feedback before you decide. Finally, choose a developer who knows fintech, can show real app demos, and put security first. Don't just go cheap. Pick quality and support. Building a trading app is big, but with the right plan and team, you can do it in 2025. Like and subscribe for more tech startup tips.